Hey y'all, Crafting with Shay here. We have another beautiful, stunning, I don't know, gorgeous, I don't know what else to say about this painting. A brand new release from Munimade, and the artist is Femke Deborah. Now, I want to talk about anything else right now except for us to just look at this painting for a second. It is absolutely, like I said, just breathtaking. Now, the special thing about this painting is Femke made this art especially for a diamond painting. So she created this image for us to diamond paint. Yes, this is very, very special. Okay. The name of the painting is called Friends of the Forest. And again, it's licensed artwork from Femke Deborah. It's square and it's got 81,600 drills. And the image size, it's a really good image size because it's going to really show the detail. It's an 85 by 60 centimeters. And there's the SKU number, of course, it'll be on the drills. It does have 57 colors. And out of those 57, you've got your special drills highlighted right here. You get 3 glitter drills and 3 ABs. Yes. Now, this entire sheet is a sticker. Okay, so if you want to, what I do is I cut this off and I save this for my logbook because it's got the start and end date in the image and all the information. And then what I do is for these are stickers and they are individually cut. So you just peel them off and put them on your storage containers with your diamonds in them, okay? And then they also give you some extra ones. So who wants to look at this painting in more detail? I do. I've just been dying to do the kit preview for this one. Munimade is coming out with some beautiful diamond paintings. This is just one of many. I know you've seen a few kind of trickle in recently, but make sure you are subscribed to her channel to see more of these because this is just the beginning. So yeah, it also comes, of course, a tag, okay, which you can put around your drills, wrap around your diamond painting. It's got all the information. So yeah, I like that. All right, so let's take a look at the image, okay? So what we have here, of course, you've got this beautiful, originally I just saw a girl, right? But then when I really started looking at the painting, I see the wings. Y'all may have already seen these, but it took me a few minutes to see the wings. She is a fairy. Yes, she is. I like how she's got the vines right here kind of going up. Looks like she's got some food in her hand. So it looks like we've got like some sort of fox here maybe. We've got a deer in between these 2 trees. And then there's another larger deer here. I like this little bunny right here. It looks like he's holding a stick. I think he's trying to maybe like tease the butterfly. That's what I think. You've got a couple of beautiful mushrooms right here. You've got more butterflies. It looks like there's some birds in the tree. You've got a couple of squirrels that are playing. It's just, the colors are, it's just perfect for fall. I love her artwork. And every time I look at it, I kind of see something different. Like I said, there's a bird right here. I love all the colors. So let's go ahead and take a look and see where all the colors go. So let's talk about the drills. There are 2 bags. And of course, they do have 1 of 2. I like that, 2 of 2. It's got that SKU number on there. So if you want to keep these separate, store these separate than your diamond painting, you can do that. Now, these are individually bagged and in order. I like that they do that because they're in resealable bags, you can actually just work straight out of baggies and not even need to move these over storage containers. Some people do that. But let's look at the color palette. Oh my gosh, look at the neutral, just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I mean, this just speaks fall right here. Just, oh, I love all the oranges, the yellows. It's just beautiful. All right, so let's see where these ABs, now if you are new to diamond painting, AB is Aurora Borealis. And it's a special coating they put on the drills to make them sparkle just a little bit brighter. So we have a really big bag of 720. It's a really pretty orange. Then we have 754, like a lighter kind of a peach color. And then we have 3078, which is kind of a yellow. So those are our 3 ABs. We're going to see where those go. And then the glitter drills, there are 2 bags of this one color. Yes, the glitter drills have the coating on them, but it's very subtle. It's just like a little dusting is the best way to describe it. But we got to see where this goes. So 2 of these. And that's 445. And then there is a bag of this white 3865. And I love 666. It's like a red, but in this it almost looks like a hot pink. So really, really fun. Okay, so let's see where these go. Let's start with the glitter drills. We'll just start from the top and also kind of try to leave the color where they are. Let's see where this yellow goes. Okay, oh, I'm seeing it all over. Okay, so where it's going to be highlighting, for the most part, it's a lot. I see it everywhere. But where it's mainly highlighting is this light. It's all here. So it's going to be kind of the light coming up from behind them, almost like the sun rising or maybe setting. All this yellow. Let's see, all this and this. I see it all back here and here. This piece right, all this area. Yeah, so it's going to be that light yellow that you see kind of behind them. That's really going to look good. Oh, I love that. That's a wonderful touch. Now, these are hand charted. So, they think about all these things when they're, hand charting them. So, all right, the next one is going to be 53. That's at 666. And that's that red. Okay, I do see it in her hair. See it in here in her hand. So whatever she's feeding is going to have a little bit of that. I see it all in the mushrooms, the tops of the mushrooms. I also see it over here in the red of the leaves. So it's going to be some pop of red all throughout here and here. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I'll kind of just leave the red maybe here. And this is a smaller bag, and it's at 38.65. And that's going to be 54. And that's the two little swiggle lines. Oh, it's going to be in her wings. Yes, the fairy wings. A little bit in the mushrooms. Okay, I see a little bit right here. Here. Oh, it's in the butterflies too. Here and here. Yep, it's in this butterfly too. Okay, so we'll leave that one there. All right, let's go see where the ABs go. So we've got 55, which is that really pretty orange color. 720. That is the star. Okay. So where I see that, I see it in her hair. Yeah, I see it all in the strands of her hair. And I also see the star, in the trees up here. Here and here. Oh, yeah, that burnt kind of orange all through here. And a big area right here and here. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so and then we have 56, kind of that light peach color, 754. And that's actually in the butterflies. Yes, the little pop of pink in these butterflies, these two and this one. They really just spread these out. Okay, and we have another yellow, 3078. Okay, so I do see, to me, it's almost going to be like more light kind of shining off of items, right? Off of things. So I see it right here, kind of on the deer's horns. Right here. It's kind of on the outer areas. It's right here. Yeah, so it's almost like the sun reflecting off of things is the best way I can describe it. I see some of her hair. Oh, that's beautiful. I see some here in the deer. So it is kind of sprinkled throughout. Yeah, it's really going to make it look like the sun is reflecting. I love that. We're going to talk about okay, so let's talk about some optional add-ons, okay? If this wasn't enough, there's more. Now, of course, you can choose to get a basic toolkit, and it is free. You just have to select it from the drop-down menu, and it'll just be, everything you need: a tray, pen, blue wax, okay? So this is available. You do have to choose it. They don't come in all the kits because some people don't need toolkits. So we're trying to reduce waste, right, and cost. So, but if you want a free toolkit, a basic toolkit, just go ahead and select that in the drop-down. But if you want to upgrade your toolkit, what you can do is you can choose a premium toolkit. Now, this is just a swatch. It's going to be a lot bigger than this. You will actually get a large red tray. It will have a lid and a stopper. Okay, so you'll get that. In addition to that, you'll also get this organza bag, and it has a novelty pin, a cover minder, blue wax, tweezers, more multi-placers, a pen, and random washi tape. So they really load you up. So yes, you will get a really beautiful tray. Now, if you do choose a premium toolkit, it just could prolong it a little bit longer than just the painting, because they do have to make these. Okay. And then, of course, you can get a dust bag. Okay. Now, the color that we have chosen for this painting is an extra large purple dust bag. These are awesome. You can put these in here, put your painting in there. It keeps them nice and safe, nice and clean. It's got the drawstrings. You can take these when you travel, put them in a suitcase. It's just really, really nice. Yeah, so these are great bags. You will get a purple one. So that's a dust cover bag. And then there also is a carrying tube. It's got the Munimade logo right here. These are awesome for traveling. Yep, you just twist the lid off, and what you do is these are actually telescoping. So depending on the size of your diamond painting, you just notch it, and you can pick the size that you need. Yep, they are awesome, and it does have the strap. So that's another option. So there's a lot of additional add-ons that you can choose from, okay? All right, you guys. So if you're hearing my voice and you're watching this and you can see this painting, guess what? It's available now on Munimade.com. Go grab it. Go get it. I think it's gonna be a good one. I love this one. It's breathtaking. So yeah, go grab it. Again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Munimade. It's free to subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks for watching. All right, bye guys.